So, a couple of lines about Arison, what describes us the best. We are the innovation house. So, we work on emerging technologies only in telecom, whether it's about wireless, datacom, layer 2, layer 3 space, uh, charging side of it, OSS, BSS, and all those. And if you would have heard about Frog Designs, so that's where our design function starts. uh, it starts with learning about customers' requirements. So, for example, there are a lot of service providers, but what does the end consumer needs? So it starts with their requirements, and Frog helps us design the UI designs, end-to-end approach, service concepts, and things like those. So there are variety of controls. So there can be static level of policy control. So service providers can define that service A, which is non-priority kind of service. For example, it can be online gaming, or it can be things like YouTube, or it can be any kind of music video or internet radio services. So definitely they want to promote people using data traffic, but there is either cost associated with it, or at least there is a quality of service that is promised by service providers, so that they're able to prioritize the services which are needed by other consumers, which are more priority in nature. For example, whether it's about accessing your emails, right? Why does the email traffic slows down? Because people are watching video, right? So those are the things which can be assigned from a static point of view for services.
Can access to gateway backhaul capacity have an effect on policy control?
Absolutely, and this is very well defined, especially in the LT networks. The way it has come up is that the service providers will be able to not only control the core network, but will also be able to pass on these parameters to devices like base stations, eNodeBs. By virtue of that, again, it comes to the quality of service being offered to consumers.